Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set a video timer for your Snap on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. Then after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have spotlights where you can check out some videos. We have stories where you can go and check out stories from your friends. We have the camera, chats, and your location. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set a video timer for your Snap on Snapchat. So the first thing that you of course need to do is go in, as I already told you, open the Snapchat application. Then the camera page should open instantly. If not, open it. It is the middle here. As you can see, we have the middle screen, which is the camera. Tap the plus icon on the right to expand the menu. And after you have expanded the menu, then tap the timer option. After you have clicked on the timer option, first it will show you a time limit for a photo snap. So tap on the timer again to enable the time limit for a video snap. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.